Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Evoque in stock with us. This one in particular is a 2-litre diesel. It's a D200 Autobiography. That's top in terms of specification, what we can get in the Range Rover world, and this car has lots and lots of specification. Now, Carpathian Grey, that's one of our premium metallics in the Land Rover brand. That's even more than the standard metallic, and as part of the Autobiography we get this stunning rose gold accent on the lettering, grille. And of course on the Autobiography we do also receive, as well as the surround sensors, the 3D surround camera. Now that enables us and gives us that nice bird's eye view when we come to park the car, and what complements that darker Carpathian Grey paintwork are them stunning 21-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. Now we've even got nice extra options over and above, including them red brake calipers, which I think make the car stand out even more. But deployable door handles, signature to the Range Rover branding, keyless entry. We've got nice things like walk away, locking and approach unlocking, power folding wing mirrors with blind spot monitoring on those also. Now believe it or not, privacy glass isn't a standard, but this has also been fitted with it from the factory. Now coming right round to the rear of the car, as you'd expect an Autobiography again, we do have a powered electric tailgate. That's where we'll also find our rear view camera, but a really good size boot for what is classed as a compact SUV. We've got storage space on the sides, storage space underneath, and we've also got the option of putting the seats down in a 60/40 split, tethering points to clamp stuff down also. Jumping inside the car, we've got something that's a little bit different. We've got a two-tone interior. Now this one's called the Cloud and Ebony. So it's not too much black, it's not too much cloud, but it's the perfect balance of it, and it looks absolutely stunning in these colours as well. Lots of leg room in the back of the car, and with it being an Autobiography, we do actually have heated rear seats as well as the front. Meridian speakers is the sound system in this car. If you're into your music, sounds absolutely fantastic as well. Now, jumping inside the car, we've got lots and lots of adjustment in these electric seats, and we do actually benefit from having the memory functionality on the driver's side. Now, starting the car up, we've got a fully digital dashboard which reads 7,765 miles at the time of recording. Now, we've got heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control on the car. We have got all of our assist systems, including lane assist, speed limit warnings, paddles on the rear, and auto lights and wipers. Now jumping over here, that's where all the magic happens with the latest model years of Evoque. Everything is controlled via this huge infotainment screen, which is called Pivi Pro. Now we've got a boatload of things we can do on here, including the likes of our dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats. We've of course got heated windscreen as you'd expect as standard with a Land Rover, but the likes of your navigation, all your media, a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, even got nice things like Alexa connectivity. And just to give you a glimpse of that 3D camera, of course with one of the doors open, but you can get a real idea of a fantastic bit of technology and that bird's eye view on the car. Underneath that, we can see we've got this really nice wooden veneer that we do get on the Autobiography, and it conceals that wireless device charger in there. Type-C connectivity, automatic gear stick of course, twin cup holders, adjustable armrest in the centre, which also reveals some extra storage space. Now, one really nice thing about the Autobiography, as well as the suede cloth headlining, is that sliding panoramic roof. So we can have it as a little bit of a chimney effect, or we can open it right up, and it makes a huge difference letting the light in, and makes the car feel even bigger than it already is. Two other things to note. As part of the Autobiography, we do actually have a clear view sight rear view mirror. That's 20 degrees wider than your typical standard mirror, but really handy if we've got 3 people sat in the back or a ton of luggage in the rear. That enables us to see clearly out the back, whether it be day or night. And straight ahead of me, we do also have what are probably hard to pick up on the video, but I've got a head-up display right in front of me, which will show things like our gear selection, speed and speed limits that are kicking up on the road. So again, this is a stunning example of what a Range Rover Evoque has to offer. This is a D200 Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. Lots of nice additional specification as well. But if you do have any questions or like any further information at all, please don't hesitate to contact us through this website or call us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.